Welcome to our channel. Today we try to see one of the exciting project that is nothing but the IR remote control. We have to use to control the LEDs using the Arduino friend. So in this project we try to see how to decode the data which we try to receive from the IR remote controller friend. And day to day life, we try to use the IR remote to control the TV and to control the DVD and AC frames. So now in this project, we try to see what are the required resources, friends. Before that, we try to discuss some of the things, friends. There are various remote controllers which are available in the market. The vendors of this remote control is nothing but the Philips, NEC, Sony, Panasonic, and LG and JVC friends. So these vendors will try to implement the following things. The vendors we have seen in, they try to frame the packet or a frame and the modulation frequency. The third one is bit 0 or bit 1 digital on how it has been represented and start and end of the frame. So these four things they try to consider it and represent the frame or protocol frame.
For these projects, we require Arduino Uno R3 friends. Now I am taking the TSOP 1738, which is operating as a 38 kilohertz friends. So this is the main module I am keeping here friends. The third one I am taking the breadboard and I am keeping over here, and now I am taking the jumper wires male to male I am keeping here friends, and I am taking the three LEDs. One is a red, yellow and blue friends, so I am keeping over here friends. I am taking the three 220 ohm resistors I am keeping over here friends, and last but not least I am taking the USB A to B to flash and get the power from the laptop friends. So these are the resources.
Here is a circuit diagram, friends. You can see the Uno R3 onto my left hand side. The 5 volts and ground is there. The TSOP, the first one will be the ground, friends. So I am taking over the ground and I am hand overing to the ground, friends. The second one will be the 5 volts VCC, friends. Now I am hand overing into the VCC, friends. And this S out and output I am hand overing into the ninth one, friends. And from second pin I am handovering into the red LED with a resistor friend, and third one I am handovering on to the, you can see it over here, friends. Third one I am handovering to here, and fourth one I am handovering to the here, friend. The second one with the yellow LED, the third one with the blue LED, friend. This is the ground. From the ground I am taking over here and I am handovering into the ground, friends. So this is the common ground and this is the connecting diagram, friends. Now let us see the connections, friends. Now I have taken the breadboard and Uno R3. I have connected one side. I stick to one side and I am keeping over here. Next I am taking the TSOP. I am giving onto the here side, friends. You can see it out. I am taking the first one will be the ground. So the ground I am handovering onto the ground, friends. So here you can see it at the ground. The second one will be the VCC. So I am taking on to the second one. You can see it over here, friends. I am giving on to the 5 volts. And the third one you can see it over here, friends. The third one I am taking over here. That is nothing but the signal and output. So I am giving on to the ninth one, friends. So you can see it, it's the ninth one. So like this I have connected the TSOP, friends. 1738. So this is the one. I am taking to the red LED. You can see I am connecting to the two, friends. You can see. Next one will be the yellow. I am connecting on to the three. Next one will be the blue. You can see it over here, friends. The same line. And I am connecting on to the fourth line. And the last but not least, this ground, and I'm connecting onto the ground, friends. So here you can see. So this is the connection, friends. three LEDs. If you can see, these are the LEDs, and these three is going to the TSOP, and this is the ground for the LED. This is the connection diagram.
Friends, so for this IRremote library, so we need to go over here, that is Arduino IRremote, and you can select the master and go to the code and download the zip. And now you need to go to the sketch, there is called as an include library, and there is called as manage library, so we need to install it, friends. So based on that one, we can have the IRremote.h header file, and we need to specify the receive pin which we have connected, and the IR receive, we have to IR receive class, we are instance we are giving with the pin number, and decode result is a specific variable, so we have to define it, friends. So this is regarding to the TSOP IR, friends. Now the red LED we have connected to 2, yellow LED we have connected to 3, and green LED we have connected to 4, friends. The default state I am maintaining is 1, and static we are indicating the old state will be preserved, friends. In the setup, I am initializing the UART and enabling the IR, and pin mode red, yellow and green LED I am making as output, friends. Coming on to the loop, I am making as IR receive dot decode, where that result I am giving the pointer, and then I am printing the value hex, friends. So when you have the new remote, so you need to print the hex value and dump the results, friends. So based on that one, you try to know it, friends. And now the result dot value, if I press, this is the whichever I have the remote, so this when I press the one, I am getting this value, friends. So I am printing the key number 1 is pressed, I am indicating the red LED in a toggling method. When I press the 2, I am indicating the yellow LED. When I am pressing the 3, I am indicating the green LED, friends. And with a delay of 10 milliseconds, this loop is again and again it is repeated, friends. Now I am going over here and doing the compile and verify. It is compiled now. Now we can see the demo, friends. We are pressing one red LED, second one with the yellow, the third one with the blue. Now third one I am turning off blue, second one yellow I am turning off, first I am red LED is turning off. Again I am doing these things, friends. So if you like this video, for more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. That will helps a lot, friends. Thank you very much.